Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you a super handy transaction code SAP1 which will help you to find all the standard reports in SAP. So the first question which may come to the new user's mind is what is SAP1 T code? So SAP1 is a transaction code used to search for standard reports available in the SAP system. Whether you are in SAP, PP, MMSD or any other module, SAP1 helps you to locate the reports based on the selection criteria. So we will directly see in the SAP system. So go to the command field and enter SAP1 T code and press enter. So the title of the SAP Easy Access changes to SAP Easy Access Report Selection. Now if I want to find the reports related to the production planning, I will go into the production planning module. I want to find the reports related to master data work center. So I'll go to the master data work center. Here we can see all the reports related to the work center. So I just click on that report. The system takes you to that report. So you can now input the selection criteria and execute the report as usual. If you want to find the T codes related to the material management for purchasing, you can just go there, go in the general or any other criteria like purchase requisition, whichever you want. You can find all the reports. So in this way, we have learned how to use the SAP1 transaction code to find the reports quickly and efficiently. It is a great tool, especially if you are new to SAP or supporting multiple modules. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more SAP tip, and let me know in the comment section which report you find the most useful. See you in the next one. Thank you.